this video, we will look at equations with rational exponent that contain fractions. Grade 10. Solve the following equations, right? So let's start with the first equation. We are given x to the power of 1 over 3, which is equals to 4. First thing first, when you're given such equation, you need to raise both sides to the reciprocal of the exponent. Raise both sides to the reciprocal of the exponent. So what is the reciprocal of 1 over 3? That will be 3 all over 1. So in other words, you're going to say x to the power of 1 over 3. Then the reciprocal will be 3 all over 1. Similarly, we'll do the same thing here. It will be powered 4. 4 will be powered by 3. So it will be 4 all over 3. So from here we can see 1 and 1 are the same, they cancel. Our aim is to make x the subject. We cancel 3 as well as 3. So what are we left here? We're left with x is equals to, what is 4 all over 3? 4 over 3 is equals to 64. So if you can go back there where there's a missing base, you put that 64 to the power of 1 over 3, definitely it will give you 4. So meaning that our solution is correct, right? Let's look at our second example. Consider we have x half. Let's say x to the power of half. Okay, x to the power of half. Let's say minus 5 to the power of x 1 over 4, as well as plus 6 equated to 0. So we are required to solve the following equation. First thing first, we can see that half is greater than 1 over 4. So the easiest way to work out this type of equation, let's change x to the power of half, which is x to the power of 1 over 2. We will change that expression into, let's change it to x 1 all over, this will be x 1 all over 4 squared. Because when you say 1 all over 4 multiplied by 2, that will give you x to the power of half. So we will change this expression x to the power of half to x to the power of 1 over 4 squared, right? So that we make it a quadratic, so that it becomes in a quadratic form. So what are we going to do? In other words, we are going to do it like this: x 1 over 4 squared minus 5x to the power of 4, so plus 6 equated to 0. So in this manner, we can see that it will be easier for us to solve this equation. But some can use a K method. It is also advisable to do it in that manner as well. So from here, we can see that this is a quadratic. So meaning that we are going to have two brackets. So what will be the factors here? The factors of 1 all over 4 squared, it's the same as x to the power of 1 all over 4, as well as x to the power of 1 all over 4. Okay, so since our sign here, the last term, the constant, which is positive, so meaning that we are going to have both signs as negative, they will take a sign of a middle term. So this will be minus and this will be minus. So what are the factors of 6? The factors of 6, that will be 3 as well as 2, remember, equated to 0. Equated to 0. So from here, we need to solve for x. So what are we going to do? We're going to say x to the power of 4, which is equals to 3, or x to the power of 1 over 4, which is equals to 2. Right, so that's what we are going to have. So the aim is to make x the subject of the formula. So let me just erase here, take it from here. So we have, remember, we have x to the power of 4, which is equals to 3. We x to the power of 1 over 4, which is equals to 2. So we need to raise both sides to the reciprocal of the exponent. That's what we're going to do. The reciprocal of 1 over 4 there, that will be 4 all over 1. So we're going to have x to the power of 1 over 4, as well as 4 all over 1, which is, we do the same as in 3, that will be 3 all over 4. So let me just erase so that we have enough space to work it out. So from here, you can see that 4 and 4 will cancel each other. Remember, our aim is to make x the subject, so this cancels, so we are left with x here. So what is 3 all over 4? 3 all over 4 is the same as 81. It's the same as 81. Let me just erase it well, write it well. It's the same as 81. Similarly, we are going to do the same thing on x to the power of 1 over 4, which is equals to 2. So we will raise, this will be 4, and here will be as well as 2 all over 4. So what are we going to do? Remember that 4 and 4 cancels, then that 1 and 1 cancels, then we're left with x here. So what is 2 all over 4? 2 all over 4 will be 16. So meaning that we are going to have x as our 16 and x as 81. So that's the solution on the second example. Hope you have learned something here. Great 10. So they say practice makes it happen, practice make it perfect, and regularly you should do that. Wishing you all the best. I want to see you on our next topic, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video and share. Thank you.